Hey Joel, I'm really excited about this one today.
What is it?
The AVA Cinema Remote. My precious, one ring to rule them all. It's beautiful, isn't it?
It is?
Huh?
Yes.
I'm really excited about this one. The AVA Cinema Remote is the next big step in home control systems. This remote fits into any home and can control just about anything in it as well. With its sleek and well-built design, as you guys can see, Joel, check that out.
Very nice.
Everyone at Davis that has touched this remote and gotten their hands on it is just amazed by it. It feels solid and sturdy. I've never felt anything else like it. Let's talk about looks first. Black and silver models are available for this remote. As you can see, we have black in the studio here today. Hopefully you can tell this on camera, but it's built out of a solid piece of aluminum, and it features this 3D glass directional pad. We're clicking it, and it's actually moving down. So like if I put it up to the mic, listen. So it's pushing down. The keypad screen here actually will adjust when you go to different apps. Okay, so right now we got the controller set to TV. And so you see that the one ring to rule them all, the ring, the beautiful ring, see it's moving? That's an ADHD moment. It's moving, guys. It's beautiful. I lose myself in it. Anyways, so we're on the TV right now. So if we scroll down and click on climate, you'll see it changes down there. Not only does it change this ring, but it also changes, the options up here on the top of the remote as well. In this instance, like you have a temperature up and down button here. And so obviously, as you guys can see, this portion is touchscreen as well. So play, seek, back. So not only does this piece just, look beautiful, have a great interface, obviously you got the ring, these change, as you're kind of going through it, but easy to set up. No coding, no hassle, one click to turn on the TV, receiver, and set the lights, all with AVA Flows. So for example, with the press of one button, AVA Flows allows you to easily set up things like, if you want to watch TV, you'd click, watch TV, turns on the TV, turns on the receiver, turns on anything that would be incorporated with that system. Another great thing about this remote is that the processor is built right into it, unlike other systems where it's two separate pieces of equipment. All programming is done right here in remote, meaning no separate software is needed for it. You can also easily search for IP or IR drivers based on equipment right on the remote. If you can't find something you're looking for driver-wise, send a request to AVA and within 48 hours it will be added to their long list of compatible devices. This remote runs off the Android platform, meaning apps can also be loaded onto the remote such as Spotify, Pandora, Ring, and many others. And with a built-in microphone and speakers, your customers can hear and talk to anyone at the door with a Ring doorbell. It means two ways. It's two ways, brother. The Cinema Remote works great on its own, but if you want to scale your installs, add the Nano Brain. So instead of storing projects on the remote itself, you can use the Nano Brain to store all those projects on it, allowing you to access them while setting up multiple remotes. It also allows for accessing AVA OS on any device running the AVA app. The app allows you to control through your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Windows, PC, Android tablets, and other third-party in-wall panels. The Nano Brain also functions as an IR repeater for devices hidden away in racks. With the included PoE adapter, the Nano Brain can be powered and receive data all from one cable, making install a breeze. AVA's changing the way we look at traditional control systems. These remotes not only look beautiful, but bring true home control with a system that doesn't take hours of classroom learning to learn. If you're a consumer who's looking at AVA for your own home, reach out to a local home AV installer who can get you set up right. And as you can tell, we're pretty excited about AVA here at Davis. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you never miss a product spotlight, Orange Couch Crust, or our latest podcast episode. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.
Pick up the remote and...
Bye. So long.